Welcome guys, Samsung Galaxy Buds. Well, these are the earbuds here to compete with the leading wireless headset out in the market. I am personally very excited to test these buds, and here are the parameters that we're going to carry out rigorously to test these devices. Number one, we're going to test this on the build quality. Number two, we're going to check how's the comfort and ease of use. Number three, we're going to test the sound quality. And number four, check the battery and the durability. And number five, the overall performance. So let's get this cracking. The form factor of this device is pretty much similar to what we have seen in the past in Samsung series. The Samsung Galaxy Buds feel extremely solid. They are mainly made up of good quality plastic and they feel weighty but not too heavy. They come with varieties of tips, including the winged ones, but the standard non-weighted tips were completely fine with my usage. The case of Galaxy Bud is also well designed. The case is made up of glossy plastic and feels very sturdy. Samsung clearly designed the Galaxy Buds for Samsung devices. When you want to use the buds, simply put them into your ears and they will connect. I was very curious to know if on phone call do these earbuds use mic of each side simultaneously, and this is what I found. To carry out this test, what I've done is I've made a call to a landline and ensure that my phone is at 100% network so that the call recording quality is up to the mark. I've paired my headset with the phone, and now the sound that you're hearing it obviously are from the earphone that I'm wearing it. We're very keen to understand now whether both the microphones work parallelly on any phone call that you make. So to test this, what I'm going to now do is tap my left earphone, and if you're able to hear the tap, which means the left microphone is functioning. All right, only the tap sound will confirm whether the microphone is on. Now I'm going to tap my right earphone. All right, now I'm going to remove my left earphone to ensure that the microphone is still not active even if I remove my headset, one of the headsets. So for that, I'm now going to tap my right earphone. If the sound is captured, which means this microphone is functional, now I'm going to tap my left earphone. If there's no tap sound coming, which means the microphone is non-functional of this headset. Now I'm going to do it vice versa. So I wear it again, I remove my right earphone, and now I'm going to tap my left earphone. If you're able to hear the sound, again, which means the left microphone is active, and if you're not able to hear the sound on the right one, which means it's not active. Well, post listening to the call recording, it is for sure that both the microphones do not work parallelly. It's either or. And at the same time, it has sounded a little bit more robotic. It's not a natural sound that is captured using both the microphones. By the way, Samsung launched Samsung Galaxy Buds with Samsung Galaxy S10 series for a reason. The Samsung Galaxy S10 has a feature called wireless power charge, which effectively turns Galaxy S10 into a wireless charging pad. The case of the Samsung Galaxy Buds also have wireless charging capabilities, so you can charge them with Samsung Galaxy S10. You can also charge the case with buds of other wireless charging pads. If you aren't using the buds with Samsung device, you can download the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app to adjust these settings. The Samsung Galaxy Buds use Bluetooth 5.0 connection for audio playback, and so far in my testing it's been extremely solid. However, it has disappointed us in quite a few conditions. For example, Bluetooth 5.0 has a range of about 100 meters in straight line of sight. However, these earphones faltered at around 50 meters. Check this out. Alright guys, so in the previous test we had tested the microphones in the indoor environment. This time around I've paired my headsets with my phone. My phone is with my friend Daniel, who's shooting me at this point in time.
Now I'm going to walk the distance. Daniel is constantly monitoring my sound, and he will let me know the moment my sound breaks or something like that. So this is almost about 40 meters that I've covered. I probably think, Daniel, are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, I am hearing.
All right, fantastic. So we're walking away, and not very sure if the wind is captured by the microphone. I'm still walking away. Give me a shout if you're still able to hear me.
Yeah, Pavan, little bit disturbing, I think. Just
All
wait
right.
for a moment.
Okay, so
Yeah, go back.
and voice is breaking a little bit, but still actually I'm going to go further more. And
Yeah, Pavan is too
how
much
about this?
disturbing.
All right. So
Even I'm not able to hear Daniel at this point in time. So most likely, I think this is going to be the milestone where I'm going to conclude the range of this headset, and which is not beyond 60 to 70 meters, which is still great range for this type of microphones to capture. Like in traditional microphones we have seen, it only captures up till about 30 feet.
Okay.
I'm sure this headset will be used by a lot of people who are writers and they don't really want to use their cell phone. So that's the reason why we're testing this on a mic. We're putting at a speed of about 30 kilometers per hour. I'm not very sure how the sound that's getting recorded. Only post production will confirm how is it. But I think I'm not able to hear anything outside. There's no wind sound which is hitting my ears. I am only hoping that this headset should cut out the wind sound and deliver it to the other party.
A lot of earbuds struggle with the bass response, but I found there was quite a bit of bass coming out of these devices when they were snug in your ears. I got pretty much good response even on the default setting, but you can always tune them and include more bass within the app. While these earbuds don't feature active noise cancellation, the isolation is very good and you can trigger the onboard microphones if you need to hear the world around you. Samsung claims the Galaxy Buds last for 6 hours on a single charge, but I have found that these will not last for more than 4 hours, which is still great. There's a 58 milliamp battery in each bud and case houses about 252 milliamp battery, so you should have about 3 full charges once you place your earbuds into the case. At $130, Samsung Galaxy Buds offer quite a bit of value to your money, especially if you have a Samsung phone. The USB-C connection and the wireless charging capabilities make this buds easy to keep charged. The touch controls are nice, but I would have liked it to see better volume options and adjustment. The Galaxy Buds offer more isolation than Apple options, and you will probably have better experience using these on other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Samsung Galaxy Buds aren't perfect, but they are great for anyone who wants to have a seamless Android experience and at an affordable price. If you seem to be convinced, below is the link for you to buy it. So guys, those were my take on the buds. Use the comment section to ask me any query that you have. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Till then, keep smiling.